Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Madeline Perez. I am super excited to be back. I have a little surprise for you guys. Today we're gonna be unboxing the Boxycharm. This one is for the month of November. I am super excited. I will be using this in my makeup routine, so I hope there's quite a lot of products for my face today. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get started, and I will be really honest with you guys. I love Boxycharms. It's totally worth the buck. It's just $25. This is like the simple one, I think, like the first box, and then it goes to like a premium. But honestly, $25 you get a lot full-size products, and I definitely recommend them, at least for my last boxes. I've been with Boxycharm for like a year or two now, and I love it every time. I get super excited whenever I get free. Well, yeah, kind of free, but you're only spending $25 on what, like 5 products that are like full size and way pricier. But anyways, my point is, I am super excited, and let's just get started. All right, for this month's theme is Boxycharm Harvest. I think the card is so cute. I love how they included like the fall and the pumpkins, and it just gives me like Thanksgiving vibes, and I am super excited for Thanksgiving. Okay, so to start off the video, I am going to start with the antioxidant spray toner. This retails for $40. It is formulated with red rose wine and lotus flower extract to tone, soothe, and purify, leaving skin feeling soft. Let's see. So far I don't feel any scent. It just feels like water, if I'm being honest with you guys. Yeah, there's no scent to it, and I really like that, because usually in my skincare routine, like, I don't like any scented things because I just feel like it's just off. I like more like natural, like no scent for my skincare. But so far, pretty good. Now that we have the toner done, I am going to start off with the eyes, and for the eyes I am going to be using the Natasha Denona Peak Palette. This one retails for $48. Oh my gosh. I love Natasha Denona. She is a little bit more on the expensive side for eyeshadow palettes, and there's only like what, 5-6 colors in them. I'm trying to open it because it's still in a box. Ooh, oh my gosh, I love these colors. Yo, look at these colors. These scream fall colors and like everyday colors. Oh my gosh. Okay, I am so excited to use these. Yeah, so let's just get started with that. I am going to go ahead and color correct my eyelids, or just put on some concealer really, and then we are going to go ahead and put these on. So I'm super excited. Now that my eyes are concealed, I am gonna go in with this eyeshadow as my transition color. I am using the Morphe JH30 brush. Now that we got the transition color in, now we're gonna go ahead and use this second eyeshadow right here. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use the brown on my outer corner of the eye. Now that we got that done, I am gonna go back to the brush we had before and just start blending. So I went ahead and did a small cut crease on both eyes, and now I'm going to go in with the first eyeshadow. This is a shimmery one, right on top of that concealer, just so it seals it as well. I'm gonna try to tap it in. Also, the brush that I'm using, this is the Morphe JH41. It's one of my favorite ones because it has the little cat tongue. And this looks so nice. Do you see the difference? It's like a shimmery and not shimmery. Shimmery and not shimmery. Now that I have placed the shimmery color, I am gonna go back into the palette and go in with the orange and mix it in with the brown just to blend in those two colors right there. Okay, now that my eyes are cleaned, I'm gonna go ahead and start on the base, and then I will be right back. I just finished my base, so now I am going to go ahead and use the next product in the Boxycharm box. This is by Beauty Creations. This is the Cali Glow, and this retails for $14.99. I haven't seen it inside yet, so here's the packaging. It's super cute. Let's see. Oh, these are really pretty shimmery highlighters. Do you guys see that? That's so pretty. All right, so I am gonna go ahead and use this. I don't know how pigmented it's gonna be, but let's see. Ooh, look at that. I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows off camera and I'll be right back. Next product, this is the Benefit Gimme Brows in the number 4. This retails for $24. Benefit for me, it's either hit or miss. I've tried some of their products and not all of them I've enjoyed, but I hope I can like this product, and I'm gonna go ahead and seal it. It is really tiny too for $24, but we'll see. So I'm gonna flick it up. Honestly, I don't feel like it's doing anything for my eyebrows, but if it says it is, then I guess it is. I feel like the brush is so tiny on top of that. I'm gonna go ahead and use the next product. This is Bodyography. It's, what an interesting name. It's a eye pencil duo. It retails for $16. So let's open it up. This is in the color black. And this is in the color brown. Ooh, I'm dropping everything. As you can see, there's the brown and the black. I am gonna go ahead and use the black and try to do a little wing. I don't know how creamy it is. I don't think this was the move. I'm gonna go back to the eyeshadow palette. I am gonna go in with the brown under my eyes and smoke it out a little bit. I am using the Morphe M432. Okay, now that I finished with that, I am going to go in with my mascara. This is the Grande Drama mascara. It was in the box about like 2 months ago or a month ago. I'm not sure. I can't remember very well, but it is pretty good. I am going to go ahead and use that on my eyelashes. Alright guys, this is the final look. I really loved how it turned out. I am gonna say this was definitely my favorite product out of the whole box because, I mean, I could use it every day, throw it in my bag, travel with it, do anything I want. I mean, you could do the same thing with the other products, but this is something that I would definitely get more use out of. And one thing, I'll be really honest with you guys, I wasn't really excited or happy about the liners and the Benefit eyebrow ones because I don't know, I just feel like I could find better products and better quality instead of using those, so I might as well just give those to my sister. She'll love them and use them anyways. But yeah, besides that, everything else was great, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend or week. I don't know what time you're watching this, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Love you.